United Nations General Assembly, what it is, let's see. The UNGA is one of the six main organs of the United Nations established in 1945. All the members of the United Nations are also the members of the UNGA. In the UN General Assembly, all the members have equal voting power. Let's see the functions and powers of UN General Assembly. UNGA consider and approve the United Nations budget. It elects the non-permanent members of the Security Council and on the recommendation of the Security Council appoint the Secretary General of the United Nations. It consider and make recommendations on the general principles of cooperation for maintaining international peace and security, including disarmament. It also make recommendations for the peaceful settlement of any situation that might impair friendly relations among countries. The Assembly may also take action in cases of a threat to the peace or act of aggression. When the Security Council has failed to act owing to the negative vote of a permanent member, in such instances, according to its Uniting for Peace resolution of 3 November 1950, the Assembly may consider the matter immediately and recommend to its members collective measures to maintain or restore international peace and security. The sitting plan of Assembly. The member countries are seated in the General Assembly according to the English translation of the country's name. The countries which occupy the frontmost left position is determined annually by Secretary General via ballot draw. The remaining countries follow alphabetically after it. That's it for now. We will come back with a different topic. Till then, keep watching NaRvi Academy.